Hey Fred.
Hey Jen.
So I see the site is not ready to install the plants yet, but they've arrived. So I appreciate you heeling them in.
Yeah, we're just going to take these wood chips that are on site. We're going to put a good 6 inches around them and on top of them to keep the roots from freezing.
Right, so the heeling in process basically means it's going to protect and insulate the plants and protect the roots from freezing. And then in the springtime when they're ready to plant,
just take them out.
Yep, and they're going to be all protected. So I see we have the Viburnum nudum winterthur, the little Henry Itea, and this one is an Amelanchier autumn brilliance, and they're all native plants. They're all going to bloom in the spring. Their fall color and their leaves are going to be spectacular.
Yep.
So
and don't forget about the star of the show, the red maple.
Oh my gosh. So this is a beautiful red maple. Look at the crown on that. I'm going to go locate a spot down by the boathouse.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.